We could zoom out, we could make this brush size really big, and we could cover a lot more area. You know, Control Z, boom, right there. And we could just work through that real fast. And then at the end, we could check for pressure marks. Right. And all I'm doing is I'm sampling in the areas that I want that pattern, right? Oh, that didn't work so hot. All right. All right, guys. So we have now effectively just went through. We cleaned up the skin. We used the Liquify tool to go ahead and fix the bridge of the nose a little bit. Honestly, her in person, her nose is perfect. I don't, you know, I took this photo myself on the Sony a7 III, and I don't remember if I used my 50mm prime. I think I did. Anyways, I shooting raw on JPEG, but all right, let's get into this photo here a little bit more. If you wanted to,